Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at the question 24 physics question from 2020 external exam from the year 2020, I believe. Now in this video I'll be going over the work solution to this question here. If you have any questions at all during it, leave something in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer it. If you are interested in the full exam video, the link is in the description below. You can check that out. If you want a physics external exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below. Okay, so otherwise, let's just get straight into this question. So question 24. A spaceship traveled from planet A to planet B at a speed of 90% the speed of light. An observer that was stationary relative to both planets measured the time taken for the trip to be 4 years. Calculate the time taken for the trip as measured by an observer on the spaceship. Okay, so this is a time dilation question, very similar to question 23, except it's a more calculated one. We're going to be having to use this formula here. Okay, now, if you don't know what this formula means, check out the video on my channel as well that explains how this works. Now, generically, this is how we're going to conduct ourselves with this formula. T-O is the time of someone who's moving relatively, okay? Because it's always relative. T is the time that's stationary relatively, okay? Now, T is always going to be bigger than T-O, okay? That is your key hint when using this formula here with this exam, okay? So here, we've got to understand the points of view here, okay? So we have two planets, planet A and planet B. So A and B. And there's a rocket that's going between both of them there. You can hear someone making breakfast, that's funny. So you've got planet A and planet B, and there's a rocket going this way here with the velocity of 0.9 c. Now, both observers will always agree the velocity is the same. So this is the stationary observer relative to both planets. This is the person on the rocket, which is what they're saying here, measured by someone on the rocket. We've got to work out who is T and who is TO. That's the main thing here. Now, T is the time of someone who's relatively stationary. Now, in this situation, this person is. So this person is measuring T, and the person on the rocket is measuring TO. So in this question here, we're trying to work out what TO is. Given that we know T, and we said T was 4 years. Okay, so this person measures as 4 years. We've got to work out what the other person would measure it as. Okay. So now that we've got that situation covered, we can now do the math for it. So first of all, you'll want to get the quote-unquote TO by itself. Okay, now I'm just going to move that up there. So to get the TO by itself, you're going to multiply both sides by this term here. So you'll get TO is equal to T times by the square root 1 minus V squared over C squared. Now what we're going to do is just substitute the stuff in. So here we have TO equals 4 times by the square root 1 minus. Now we're going to substitute the V for 0.9c. So you'll have 0.9c all squared over c squared. Now what you'll notice here is a trick you can do if they write it as a percentage of the speed of light. So you don't have to do what I just did there. You can actually simplify this. If you square both of them, you'll get given 0.9 squared and you'll have a c squared. And here you'll be able to cancel them out. So instead of actually just writing that, you could just write it as 0.9 all squared, which is what I would do if I was in a rush here as well. So I'm just going to write like that. Then all you got to do is just chuck that in your calculator. So here, you just go 4 times by the square root, oh, if I can get it to work, 4 times by the square root of 1 minus 0.9 all squared. So that gives you approximately 1.74, okay? Now they said they want it to 1 decimal place, so TO is 1.74 years. Now does that match our idea up here? So they had T equals 4 and we just worked out TO is 1.7. Yes, that matches that idea here. 4 is greater than 1.7, so yes, we know we're in the correct answer, okay? If you have any issues with this question here, you need to take a look at special relativity a bit more, okay? There are tons of videos on my channel as well. If you want the next question in this external exam, link is in the description below, or you can just check out the playlist. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. If you needed a physics external exam bundle pack or a revision thing, link is also in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.